Welcome to our custom clothing manufacturing journey. This is Kvia from METBO. From concept to creation, we transform your vision into high-quality apparel. Today, we will take you behind the scenes to show you how it's done. Located in the heart of Guangzhou, just a 10-minute drive from the largest fabric market in the region. Our state-of-the-art factory is where your custom clothing dreams come to life. Our proximity to this fabric market gives us unparalleled access to a wide range of fabrics and accessories, allowing us to source materials with the exact composition, patterns, and colors you need. Whether it's specialized buttons, custom zippers, or unique fabric patterns, we can find exactly what you are looking for. It all starts with your idea. During the initial design consultation, our experienced representatives work closely with you to understand your vision, brand identity, and specific requirements. We discuss fabrics, colors, styles, and all the details that make your design unique.
So we believe in collaboration. By understanding your brand and your target audience, we can create a design that truly resonates. Every detail is considered, from the fabric texture to the stitching style.
Not only do we compare every detail before starting the sample, but we also offer expert advice, especially for fresh brand owners. For example, if you are considering a large embroidery design, we will guide you on the wearable effect, suggesting adjustments to ensure comfort without compromising on your vision. For complex techniques like puff printing or screen printing across multiple panels, we carefully disassemble the specific panels that will undergo the technique, ensuring precision and quality before the final assembly. Let's take a moment to show you how we bring a sketch to life. Here's an example of a custom hoodie design we recently completed from a client. Once the order is placed, our sample masters ensure precision during the cutting process, while our experts seamstress assemble the prototype with meticulous attention to detail.
So each piece is crafted with care, ensuring it meets our high standards. We focus on quantity and durability, so your clothing looks great and lasts long.
After the prototype is complete, we invite you to review it. This is a crucial step where we make any necessary adjustments to ensure the final product is perfect. We provide visual updates throughout this process, sharing high-quality photos of the sample from multiple angles. You can feel confident in the final product. Finally, your custom clothing is packaged with care, using eco-style packaging that keep the nice quality. We even update you with beautiful photos of your products before shipping. Our logistics team ensures timely delivery no matter where you are in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey from concept to creation. At our Guangzhou factory, your vision becomes a reality. Ready to start your custom clothing project? Contact us today and let's create something amazing together.